Hi, Elise. Hi. How you doing, cutie? Did you just have a delicious breakfast or lunch? What did you have today?
Yes, you did.
You had something green today. You had peas.
It's a green day.
It is a green day. And there's our lovely Chloe, chilling in the sun on her mat. She's just sitting there hanging out by herself, enjoying the weather, looking at the birds, talking up a storm. So she just had some cereal and peas, which is really cool. She laughed it up, no problems.